Hello there. Are you alright? You've been tossing and turning quite a bit tonight. Is it because of the storm? Ah, I see. You're afraid of storms. Well, don't worry. I'll protect you. How long have you been afraid of storms? Since you were a kid, you say? That's quite a long time. Here, let me make you a cup of tea. I'll be right back. I'm back with your tea, mistress. Have you been feeling okay? That's good. I'm glad to hear that. Would you care for a cookie as well? It's my pleasure, darling. What am I going to do? I'm going to try my best to comfort you in a time of need. Here, let me embrace you. I know you like it when I brush gently through your hair, so just close your eyes and relax. Release your thoughts of the day, your chores, your studies, and even your duties. Release them all and focus on the sounds of the rain. Feel my warm arms around you and sink yourself into the feeling of comfort and love. How's the tea? Did it turn out all right? I'm glad. This tea is designed especially for comfort and relaxation. Just sit back and relax. Forget about all your worries and anxieties. Some people say that it is a hard task to do, but with the aid of focusing on the things you enjoy, it can be a simple experience. So, let's give it a test. Tell me, what are some things you find enjoyable? Ah, I see. Well, think on those things. Release all negative thoughts. Breathe in and breathe out. Naturally feel your stomach rise and fall. Continue this cycle for 5 rounds. Now tell me, how do you feel? Good. Then we're headed in the right direction. Remember how we first met? You were walking alone in the garden that I had just so happened to be there when our eyes met, and I wanted to get to know more about you. You seemed shy at first, but I had no idea why. We met, we started talking, and before you know it, we stirred up a relationship. Here we are now, together, relaxing in bed. It's been around a month now, hasn't it? I don't regret a single thing. Though, I also remember the time you started visiting with the truancy. I know you say you were just friends, simply hanging out, but I ask you not to do that again. I'm glad you're happy with me. If you've been lying about it the whole time, we'd have a problem. Now wouldn't we? Continue listening to the rain and breathing deeply. Everything will be okay. Shh. Everything will be okay. Okay. You're safe, comforted, and loved. Everything will be just fine. You are treasured, beautiful, and brave. Everything will be okay. You're safe with me. No need to worry.